Hello everyone. Today we will having a user profile design. I'm come with the two user profile design. This is first one. Today I am explaining this UI design and another is this UI design. I will explain this UI design in next video. So let's start. So for this I have used grid. In the grid I have this blue part is a path, and on the path I have used grid, and grid having image and labels, and this is another grid. This is line and dots is a custom control, and this is label. So let's see the code. So this is main grid. In grid I have used the path, and on the on this is first row. In the same row I have used another grid to show the image and label. This is pancake. You will get this pancake from the Nugget. uh, I will show you the Nugget. This is the Nugget. I have installed latest version, so you can use that pancake. In pancake, uh, I want image to be having round border, so corner radius is 50 and background color is white, and this drop shadow property I have used color black, so it will look like the image is popping up, and I have used blur radius as a 50, and after that you can use the image, and what image do you want, you can pass in a source property, and this is label. And after that I have used another grid. This is a custom control that I have created. This is track view. Let's see this track view. Okay, so I have taken ellipse. So I want that box view. This line is box view. So this box view should be in grid. So it will take height request as a 1. If you put in stack layout, it will not show the box view as you want. So I prefer you to use grid for box view. So this is the grid I have used for box view, and set column width as 1, and this is grid row as first grid row, and in the same grid row I have passed ellipse. Ellipse is a round. This is the round shape is an ellipse, and after that I have passed label. So this track view I use in the main form, and in track view I have set property. There is background color. This background color will fill the this box background color and ellipse background color. and text. What should be the text? So as you can see, I have used this track view. If you want, you can use as a dynamic track view and pass from the item source. So I hope you like this video. If you have any question, then ask me in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.